I'm going to show you how to make a comment on a Google Doc. So what you want to do is you want to take your mouse and you want to highlight the section that you want to leave a comment for. So on the Polynesian island of Motunui, this is the setting. So that is what I'm going to comment. Now you have two options. You can go all the way up here. See this button? It says open comment history. So you can leave a comment that way. Or this little add button here, add a comment, you press it and it will open up a comment. So I'm going to comment in, and this is the setting. So when somebody in wanted but so, it's the in and it's the setting. So I'm going to comment. I'm going to press comment and it will leave it highlighted. So if I zoom out, you can see that the comment has been left on this document by Ms. de Blasio.